Hello everyone, and here is the video of how to draw the image of a point size object kept in front of a plane mirror. For this we have to first draw a plane mirror. This is a plane mirror. This side is the reflecting side and this side is the polished side. So you have to draw these lines over here on this side to show that this is the polished side. Now what we will do, we will take a point size object at a distance of 5 centimeter from this plane mirror. So this is a plane mirror and you can see I am putting a dot over here which will represent the object at a distance of 5 centimeter. Now what I will do, I will draw a straight ray falling on this plane mirror, straight incident ray from this object. So this is the incident ray and this one was the object. This is the point size object. Let us represent this object as A. Since this ray, incident ray, it is falling on normal, that is angle I, it is equal to 0 degree. So that means it is reflected back on the same path. That means angle R is also equal to 0 degree. According to the second law of reflection, angle I is equal to angle R. Now we have to draw another ray over here. The another ray we will draw at some angle. Let's say this is the second incident ray falling on the plane mirror. We have to draw a normal over here. Let's draw a normal. That means what is a normal? It's a perpendicular to this plane mirror at this point of incidence. So as you can see, I am using the scale to draw the normal. This is normal. This is angle of incidence. So we have to draw angle of reflection, that should be same. So one thing you can do, you can take your D and you can measure this angle of incidence. Let's say if it comes out to be 33 degree, you have to draw a same angle 33 degree over here. But you know students that while we are doing exam, we don't have so much of time. So to save time, this is a tip for you, that what you have to do, you have to, in the starting only, when you have drawn this object at a distance of 5 centimeter, at the same time you will be drawing the image also at this point, again behind this at a distance of 5 centimeter again. So that means you have drawn in the starting only this image A dash of this object, right? This is a tip. We don't have to do this. If you have time, you have to measure this angle as 33 degree or whatever it comes out to be, and you have to draw the same angle over here, right? But since there is a lack of time while we are attempting the exam, so this is a tip for you, that at 5 centimeter you draw the object, at 5 centimeter behind you draw the image. Now connect these. Let's draw the reflected ray. Join these two, this image and this point of incidence. Behind, we know that behind the mirror it should be dotted, and in front of the mirror it will go straight. So this is the reflected ray, and this angle will come out to be, if you measure, it will come out to be same as angle of incidence, that is angle of reflection. Both are same. Now join these two rays also. Behind the mirror it should be dotted again. Now since these two rays, they seems to meet at this point A dash, that means this A dash is your image. So this is your image for the point size object which you are using over here as A. Image is A dash. What are the characteristics which you will write down over here? The first characteristic which you will write down over here, that the image in case of plane mirror, it is virtual as well as erect. The second you will be using over here, the characteristic is that the object size, that means size of the object, it is equal to the size of the image, that is image size. Third, distance of the object from the plane mirror, that is, we can write down the object distance from the plane mirror, it is equal to the image distance again from the plane mirror. That is why we have taken over here while drawing the diagram into consideration that this is also 5 centimeter and this distance is also 5 centimeter, as object distance and image distance from the mirror, it will remain same. It will be equal. So these are the main 3 characteristics, and the next one you can write down that image in case of plane mirror, it is always laterally inverted. That means the left will appear right and the right will appear left. So these are the 4 characteristics which you have to draw or which you have to write down over here. We will be doing the image formation step by step again for a line object in our next video. Thank you all of you. Do practice these and you can write down to me in the comment section if you find any difficulty in drawing this diagram. Thank you.